Dear students, good morning. I'm Mr. Parmeshwar Jha. I am here with your chapter, The Lost Child, of your class 9 book Moment. The author of the story is Mulk Raj Anand. According to this chapter, there was a child who had desired to go to the fair, and he was going with his parents into the fair. And what happened there in the fair, it is described in your chapter. It was season of spring and everyone was wearing woolen clothes. Some were going into fair by horses, some by bullock carts, bamboo carts, and that little child, he was running between his father's leg and he was very happy. After some time he lagged behind and he was at the toy shop. His parents called, "Come, child, come." And he was very happy. He followed his parents' words and he went towards his parents. And he requested from his father that I want that toy. His father became very angry, but his mother consoled him. His mother consoled him to look towards mustard field, and a group of dragonfly were bustling there, and the child became interested in dragonflies. They were different colors. They were different colors, and all all the butterflies. He became interested in catching butterflies, and his parents called, "Come, child, come." Then young young flowers were falling, and that child, he became very interested in collecting the raining of petals. And then his parents cried, "Come, child, come." And then the child came towards his parents, and they were about nearing the village, and the child, he could see full of people, crowd, and in the fair different shops were installed. Firstly, he saw a sweet meat seller where gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi, and different other sweets were decorated in silver and gold leaves. And the child had desire to eat barfi. It was his favorite sweet, but he he could not see his parents, and he thought if he would request from his parent would say that he was greedy. And without waiting the answer, he went towards next stall. Then he saw a flower seller. He was selling a garland of gulmohar, and the child became interested. He wanted that garland of gulmohar, but he thought his parents would refuse him, and parents would say that it is very cheap and you cannot take it. But he did not wait for the answer, and he moved on. Then there was a balloon seller. He was hanging yellow, red, green, purple balloons, and the child simply thought about the rainbow, because all the balloons were of different colors, and he thought his parents would buy, but his parents would say that he was too old to play with his such toys, and he would not buy. Then he moved forward, and a snake charmer was there, and there was a flute in his hand, and he was playing the flute. The child interested in that sound, and he wanted to buy that flute, but he thought that his parents would say that it has not pleasant noise. That's why his parents would not buy. And then there was a swing in which men, women, children all were moving in roundabout swing, and the child watched, and he had also desired to ride on roundabout. He requested from his parents, but there were no parent. He became very anxious. He turned to look at his parents. They were not available there. and he looked here and there, but he did not find his parents. He was weeping. He started crying. He started crying, mother and father, but his parents were not there. He moved here and there by asking different people about his mother and father, but he could not find them. He ran quickly about the temple where many people were praying to God, and he started running between legs of people. Mother and father, he was crying. Near the entrance of the temple, near the entrance of the temple, a man, a man lifted him, and he kept on his shoulder, and he asked, "How did you come here?" And the child became very excited, and he was only weeping. He wanted his mother and father. The man tried to console him, to make him stop weeping, but he did not stop that. After some time, the man became very curious that the boy was not stopping. The boy was not stopped crying. Then he went towards the fair, and he told the boy to ride on a roundabout. But the boy did not have any interest to ride on the roundabout. Then that man, he went towards the balloon seller, then he went toward the flower seller, then he went toward the snake charmer, and about the sweet seller. But the boy did not stop sobbing. The boy did not stop weeping. He only wanted his mother and father. And he did not stop weeping. After this, we can see that the boy loved his parents too much. But he wanted everything earlier. But at that condition, he thought that he was lost. He could not find his parents. That's why he did not have any interest in the things which he wanted earlier. Thank you. The message of this story is we should love our parents, mother and father. And if we have mother and father, we have everything in the world. It same happened to that child. Thank you.